If you have PCOS or PCOD, that comes with a few extra problems in your life, especially if you're taking medication in terms of contraceptives or maybe some hormones from outside. That leads to certain deficiency of supplements. So we'll be discussing today that which are those supplements which are needed if you're taking medication with PCOS and PCOD. With that, we'll discuss what we should be eating to overcome these problems. So first of all, let's discuss about zinc. So if you have the deficiency of zinc, that will lead to what kind of problems? That will be like tiredness, diarrhea, risk of diabetes, glucose intolerance, maybe hair loss or appetite loss. How much zinc you need to be taking every day? That is around 20 to 30 milligrams. So what you should be eating overcoming the zinc deficiency? That is almonds, cashew nuts, whole grains, maybe red meat, peanuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, lentils or wheat germ. Oysters is also a good source for zinc. Next supplement we'll be talking about is magnesium. And if you have magnesium deficiency with PCOS, what kind of problems you'll be facing? That will be anxiety, depression, fatigue, high BP, or maybe insomnia. How much of magnesium you should be taking every day? That is around 200 to 500 milligrams per day. And what should you be eating to overcome the problem, to overcome the magnesium deficiency? That is avocados, almonds, cashew nuts, dark chocolates, wheat germ, legumes, tofu, certain kind of seeds like flax seeds, sunflower seeds, such things, and whole grains. The next supplement is vitamin D. And what will happen if you have deficiency of vitamin D with PCOS? You'll have to face fatigue, weakness, depression, low immunity, bone and back pain maybe, hair loss. And how much of vitamin D you should be taking? That is 400 to 1000 IU per day. And what you should be eating to overcome the vitamin D deficiency? That is sunlight, oatmeal, mushrooms, canned tuna, egg yolks, salmon fish, red meat. The next supplement is folate. And if you have folate deficiency with PCOS, what will happen to you? That will be you have to face tiredness, sometimes feeling faint, headaches, breathlessness, and pale skin. What should you be eating to overcome the problem? You should be eating broccoli, sprouts, cabbage, peas, wheat germ, lentils, chickpeas, black eyed peas, that is lobia, what we say in Hindi, and white sesame seeds, green leafy vegetables, ladyfinger, sunflower seeds. So these are very good source of folate. The last supplement we are going to talk today is vitamin B12. And what will happen if you have deficiency of B12? You'll have to face irritability, depression, weakness, tiredness, yellow tinged skin. And what you should be eating to overcome the problem? That is, you should be eating every day flax seeds, clams, eggs, buttermilk, whey powder, apples. I hope this kind of food will help you to overcome certain problems like I have told you already, and it will improve your diet and you'll be able to overcome with PCOS easily. Do not forget to exercise with diet also, because these are two things which will work together to take you out of this problem. That is exercise and diet. I have made too many videos on exercise that will help you to overcome the problem of PCOS and PCOD and other menstrual disorders. So you can go through that. The link is there at the I button. Do not forget to subscribe and share the video. Also press the bell icon. That will help you to get all the notifications for my new and upcoming videos. I hope my videos are helping you out. Looking forward for comments in the comment section. That actually motivates me to make more videos for you. Thank you so much.